My name is Roshni Sharad Bhatwar. My school name is Navnath English Medium School, Nashik. Here sir is our guidance teacher. Me and my friends are represent our project in front of you. The title of our project is Health of Soil. There are some aims of our project. First, to increasing long-term fertility of soil using organic fertilizers. Avoid maximum use of chemical fertilizers. Avoid the global warming. The main aim of our project is to motivate the farmers for using organic fertilizers for the health of soil.
My name is Devani Satir Jadhav. I represent to the organic farming. I tell you some merits of organic farming. To increase the fertility of soil, it can slow down the global warming. In organic farming, crops and other foods are included. Organic farming uses a lot of organic matter to give crops nutrients that they need to grow. Decreases nitrate leaching into groundwater and surface water. Manure from animals and compost are also used to enrich the soil, improves immune system, supports healthier soil and pollinators, tastes better than non-organic food. It is not only save energy for both animals and machines but also reduce the risk of crop failure.
My name is Rashi Anil Bhagat. I represent chemical fertilizers farming. There are some demerits of chemical fertilizers farming. Chemical fertilizers encourage plant disease. Chemical fertilizers affect microorganisms living in the soil. Chemical fertilizers are more expensive. It causes long-term soil fertility and makes soil unfit for routine cropping. The ingredients in the fertilizers are toxic to the skin and respiratory system. Excessive use of fertilizers damages the plants and reduces the soil fertility. Leaching occurs and makes the fertilizer reach the river, causing eutrophication.
I am introducing you to the organic fertilizers farming and chemical fertilizers farming. Here we do organic fertilizers farming. In organic fertilizers farming, we use manure like compost manure, cow urine, cow dung, chicken manure, etc. In chemical fertilizers farming, we use fertilizers like Technozed, 1919, sulfur, urea, phosphate and etc. Here we use drip irrigation method for supplying the water to each crops. We use here high tank because of the load shedding. That's why we do not use the borewell water directly.
I introduce the organic fertilizer. First is cow dung manure. This manure we use in organic fertilizer. It is the organic fertilizer that containing the essential nutrients for the healthy growth of plants. It is odorless and fine texture. Manure has superior porosity. It does not contain any harmful chemical. Next is cow urine. It also used to the spraying on crops for the death of the harmful microorganisms. It is allowed is used as a foliar spray. Dilute 1 liter of cow urine with 100 liter of water. Use as foliar spray.
I can represent chemical fertilizers farming. We included phosphate, urea, sulfur, 1919, Technozed, etc. and some chemical liquid fertilizers such as JNP, Gold, Arena, Fast Mix, Daisies, Super Strong, Stock, Filvet, etc. This is our urea. Urea is the most important nitrogenous fertilizers in the country because of its high 46% iron content. It's used in the crops as well as it's used in the cattle feed supplement as required as a part of protein requirements. Disadvantages of urea fertilizers is a very solution in water and hygroscopic water as required as a better packaging quality. Not as stable and other solid nitrogenous fertilizers decomposes as even temperature, that result is a serious loss. This is our sulfur fertilizer. Sulfur is a necessary as a phosphorus and is considered as an essential mineral. Sulfur in plants for the formations of plants protein It is a very low amount but defensive and the loss of vitality. This is a goal. We can do the spraying of goal in our farm. That time there is the loss of harmful bacteria and also useful bacteria are also weeded. There is the loss of the soil.
My name is Pranav Dayasant. I telling about disadvantage of the phosphate fertilizer, the highly probability of the water pollution, the grass clippings and the leaves from the plants that have been a soil with the overabundance of the phosphorus to release the phosphorus into the water leading to algae and bacteria to outbreak the water contamination issues. The major chemical fertilizer, phosphate, urea, sulfur, 1919 or Technojet.
Thank you.
Thank you.